Want to make $20,000 in profit in 2025? You can do it. Follow my steps, find the right products, use efficient tools, and run ads that reach the right people. Take smart action and big results will come. Let's begin now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever thought about making money online but feel like it's too complicated or too expensive to get started, then this video is for you. I usually feel the same way. I kept seeing people online talking about making thousands of dollars a month with digital product and AI tools, but I had no idea where to start. I thought you needed to be some kind of chat genius or invest a ton of money up front. But with what? That's not true at all. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I discovered a opportunity in digital product and how I use the AI tool like DeepSeek and ChatGPT to make the entire process simple, repeatable, and most importantly, scalable. And the best part, this is a completely remote way to start making money online. You don't need to have any fancy skills, expensive software, or even physical office to do this. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you know how to start your own remote online business, selling digital products without needing it to be expert or spend any fortune. Step 1. Find in profitable remote. Let me tell you how this all started. One day, I was sitting at my desk, thinking about how I could make money online in truly remote way. I wanted something that wouldn't take much to create, something that people actually want to buy, and something that didn't require me to have inventory or ship physical products. So I started doing a little research. That's when I discovered ChatGPT, an AI tool that helps you find trendy products and repeatable niches. Within just a few clicks, I was looking at the list of hottest digital products that people were searching for, and guess what? Coloring book. I know what you are thinking, coloring books. Really? But hear me out. I start digging deeper into this niche and realize that there's massive demand, especially on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. People aren't just looking for any coloring books. They want unique, creative, and even educational ones. And that's where the opportunity comes in. The best part, this is a complete way to earn money. All you need is your laptop and internet connection. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. Start you designing the digital product. So now that I had my idea, the next step was actually creating the coloring book. At first, I thought I need to hire a designer or learn how to draw, but AI made this process ridiculously easy. I use Canva, which is one of the easy design tools out there. You don't need to be a graphic designer. It's a ready-made template illustration, and all the tools you need to create professional-looking pages. I decided to go with an education team, an ABC coloring book with animals. Each page had different animal representing a letter of the alphabet. Simple, fun, and something parents would love for their kids. To make my coloring book even more unique, I use AI tools like Midjourney to generate custom illustration. Imagine being able to turn a from blank to baby elephant for coloring book, and getting perfectly designed, high quality image within seconds. That's exactly what I did it, and it made my book stand out from competition. And again, the beauty of this method is remote. You can create this product from your home, coffee shop, or even while traveling. Here's where things get even more interesting. Once my coloring books were finished, I wanted to sell it's not just a digital download, but also as a physical book. And that's where Amazon KDP comes in. With Amazon Kindle, you can upload your digital product and they will handle everything from printing to shipping. You don't need to worry about store inventory or dealing with logistics. Amazon take care of all. I simply uploaded my completed coloring book, set the price, and just like that, it's available for people to buy about e-book and printed book. The best part, I didn't need to be a one specific location. It's truly remote shop that's allowed you to work from anywhere. Step 4. Marketing your remote business. Now having a great product is one thing, but getting people to buy it, that's real challenge. This is where AI tool help me take everything to next level. I use AI power tool to create engaging content for social media. TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest were my main platform. Since coloring books were visual product, I made short videos out in the pages, giving sneak peeks and even demonstrate how fun they work to color. With the right hashtag and consistent posting, my audience started growing. My people were discovering my book, click on the link and make the purchase. And the best part, I made the content creation process so much easier and faster. And because the business is completely remote, this was able to manage everything from my laptop without being tied at one location. Here's the beauty of this business model. Once your product is created, it's keeping make money while you sleep. And once I saw how well my first book was selling, I knew I had to create more. That's the secret to making serious money with digital products. Scaling, I took the same process and created my coloring book with different teams. Animal, natural, education the topics, even seasonal ones for Christmas and Halloween. But it doesn't stop there. You can check the charity and expand into other digital products like a workbook, planner, checklist, and even online course. The possibility endless. So this is how I use DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Canva, and Amazon KDP to create profitable, fully remote online business selling digital products. And the best part, you can do it too. You don't need a big budget. You don't need a degree in graphic design. You don't need a year of experience. AI makes it easier than ever to short, create, and sell digital product online. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start a remote job or side hustle, this is it. Start today, and who knows, a few months from now, you could have your own only business, working from anywhere in the world. Imagine this, you are gentrified, stuck in a dead-end job, barely strapped by, bills pile up, the shit is constant, and you're just waiting for a payday. Hop in, you can make this through the month, so familiar. I've been there too. Every day feel like wash jet and endless cycle might be next month will be better. But one day, I decided I couldn't keep living like this. I made the choice, enough was enough. So I started learning skills after work, stratify weekends, and dedicate myself to building something for myself. There was failure, I tend to sell out, and nights are bright and silent. But I kept pushing. Fast forward a few years, I built a few in business. I quit my 9 to 5, and now to live like my outcomes. But let me tell you, success didn't happen overnight. It looked persistence, a solid strategy, and relentless effort. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do the same, starting with your first $1,000 side hustle. Let's dive in. Step 1. Service-based side hustle. Okay, so where do you start? If you rock like I was, and the answer is simple. Service-based hustle, this is where you get started with zero money. When I started, I didn't have a big budget or a fancy plan. I just needed to get the ball rolling, so I took on whatever I could find, maybe sitting, the working, helping people move. It wasn't glamorous, but every dollar added, and it got me close to my goal. The best part, you don't need a ton of resources to begin. This day, you can do a lot online. If you got a skill or are willing to learn one. And trust me, there should an opportunity. Here's what worked for me and other I know. Video editing. There's a huge right now. There's massive demand for a video editor. You don't need to be a pro to get started. I have a friend who makes $2,000 a month just editing videos. It's not just about knowing the technical stuff. It's about telling a story with the footage. Graphic design. If you got a creative streak, design is great side hustle. You could start designing YouTube thumbnail, logos, or social media graphics. The key is to specialize in something specific you can stand out. Writing. Forget about trying to write a bestseller. Instead, focus on what's in demand. Business pay well for blog posts, social media caption, and sell copy. Start small, but yet consistent. Coaching. Have knowledge in fitness, so improvement, or even help people break bad habits. People will pay for coaching if you can show them real results. The bottom line is, start where you are with what you have. Offer value, and you will get paid for it. Start your attention-based side hustle. Once you start making money, the next step is to capture attention. Why? Because in today's world, attention equals income. If you can get people to pay attention, you can monetize it in some anyway. Here's how. Affiliate marketing. You don't even need your own product. Remove the other price or products and earn commissions. The more eyes you get, the more money you make. It's not about having millions of followers either. TikTok alone can bring instant traffic. Content creation. Content creation. If you enjoy creating, this could be your jam. You can organize and post motivation courses. Put new videos or niche content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. As you grow, you will get opportunity to make money through sponsorship, ads, or product sales. Building a personal brand. Being authentic is key. Show up, connect with people, and provide value. The more attention you get, the more opportunity you will have monetize. Remember, start small and stay consistent. The more attention you build, the more opportunities will come your way. Step 3. Product-based side hustles. Now, if you're ready to test into next level, we're talking about product-based side hustles. This is a weird thing yet serious, but don't worry, you don't need a ton of money to start. Here are the few options that work for me and others. This is the products. This is a sweet spot. There's no inventory to manage, and the profit margins are high. Think about selling ebooks, online courses, Cambridge templates, or stock photos. Once you create them, they sell over and over again. Passive income anyone. E-commerce and dropshipping. If you want to sell physical products, but don't want to deal with inventory, dropshipping is solid option. The supplier ships directly to customer, and you never have to worry about stock or fulfillment. Traditional e-commerce. If you want more control over your brand, product quality, and customer service, you can go the traditional route and show your own product. It's small work, but the rewards are worth in the long run. Whether it's digital or physical, starting small and scaling into passive income is how you really start building the long-term wealth. The road to success isn't instant. It's about persistent, strategy, and relentless effort. It's not easy, but I promise you, if you stick to it, you will see the rewards. So, are you ready to take the first step? Start where you are, use what you have, and begin building your hustle today. Your future sale will thank you. If you're into dropshipping or even just getting started, you've probably already realized something. Margins can be really tight. That means every dollar you spend on ads needs to work hard for you. You can't afford to waste money on ads that don't convert. So how do you make sure every dollar you spend on Facebook ads is actually making you money? The good news? You don't need to be a data genius to figure it out. In today's video, I'm going to break down 2 key metrics that will help you run more profitable Facebook ads. ROAS, return on ad spend, cost per purchase. Once you understand these, you'll be able to cut out what's not working, double down on what is, scale your business the smart way. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Understand ROAS, return on ad spend. Let's start with the most important number in your Facebook Ads Manager. ROAS. What is ROAS? ROAS tells you exactly how much money you're making for every $1 you spend on ads. Let's say you're selling a product for $50 and you spend $10 on ads to get 1 sale. That means your ROAS is 5x. For every $1 you spend, you make $5 back. That's a great return. Now, imagine you're running 2 different ads for the same product. Ad number 1, ROAS equals 4x. Ad number 2, ROAS 3x. What do? Stop spending on the 3x ad, increase the budget on the 4x ad. Even though 3x ROAS isn't terrible, it's not as profitable as 4x. Scaling smartly isn't just about spending more. It's about spending on the ads that are already working best. Step 2. Understand cost per purchase. While ROAS tells you how much you're making, cost per purchase tells you how much it's costing you to get a sale. Example, let's say your product sells for $50 vouchers and your cost per purchase is $25. That means your ROAS is 2x, you're making double what you spend on ads. That's decent. But after factoring in product cost, shipping, and fees, your profit margins shrink fast. Now, imagine you optimize your ad targeting, improve your creatives, or tweak your budget and bring your cost per purchase down to $10. Suddenly, your ROAS jumps to 5x, your profit margins increase, and your business becomes way more scalable. My personal experience with ROAS and cost per purchase. When I first started running Facebook ads, I made a huge mistake. I focused on the wrong metrics. I looked at clicks, impressions, and engagement. I thought that if an ad had a lot of likes and comments, it must be doing well, but I wasn't paying attention to ROAS and cost per purchase. The problem? None of those vanity metrics told me if I was actually making money. Then I started tracking only ROAS and cost per purchase, and everything changed. Here's what happened. I had 2 ads running for the same product. Ad number 1, ROAS equals 4x2s. Ad number 2, ROAS equals 2.5x. At first, I let both ads run with the same budget. Big mistake. I was wasting money on the 2.5x ad instead of focusing on the 4x ad. When I finally looked at my numbers, I immediately killed the 2.5x ad and put all my budget into the 4x ad. The results? Sales shot up, profits doubled. My ad spend became way more efficient. Step 3. How to scale your Facebook ads the smart way. Now that you understand ROAS and cost per purchase, here's how to use them to grow your business without wasting money. Start small and test first. Don't start with a huge budget. Start small and test multiple ad creatives, audiences, and ad copy. Your goal is to gather data on what's working. 2. Cut the losers. Once you've collected enough data, stop spending money on ads with low ROAS or high cost per purchase. Kill the underperforming ads so you're not wasting money. 3. Scale the winners. Take the budget you were spending on low ROAS ads and move it into the ads that are performing well. This increases sales without increasing your total ad spend. 4. Keep testing. Even if an ad is working well today, it won't last forever. Markets change, customer behaviors shift. Keep testing new ads, new creatives, and new audiences to stay ahead of the game. If you're running Facebook ads, don't make the mistake of focusing on the wrong metrics. Stop worrying about clicks and impressions. Start tracking ROAS and cost per purchase. This is the fastest way to stop wasting money and start scaling profitably.